Alright, so today, special thanks to this company for sending us their baby bottle sterilizer, model number LSB317. It will quickly generate steam, one button operation, safe and non-toxic, high temperature resistance. The steps for usage are right here on the side. This explains how you pour in 75 milliliters of purified water, position the bottles and turn it on, and it'll auto shut off when the water is done. These are some other products from BabyMust that they make: baby food makers, fast baby bottle warmer, baby carrier, white noise machine, and here's some more product information on the baby bottle sterilizer. Nothing on the bottom and the top, just has their logo. So let's open up this baby bottle sterilizer, take a look at what comes in here. They do have contact information at a real website domain, that's always good to see. And take this on out. Instructions, and that's it for the box. So it comes with a full instruction manual here telling you everything you need to know of how to use it. And then inside of this, see, there's how to hold all your bottles. There's all the pieces that come with everything. Warming tips. Nice. So essentially, put this down in here like so. You can even use these. Take the bottles in and out, nice. And this little top would just go on. You literally have this one button operation once it's plugged in. So that's it. That'll do it for this BabyMust baby bottle sterilizer unboxing. This is everything that you get here with this box, and just plug it in and sterilize your bottles. Thanks again to BabyMust for sending this to me, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.